How to log in to Temu account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. It is a very quick and easy process. Open up any browser that you prefer and search for Temu on the search bar. The process is same for your PC and your mobile device. Just tap on Temu. To log in, tap on the username icon. Then tap on sign in or register. Now you just have to input your email or phone number and tap on continue. Then you also have to enter a password. If you are facing trouble signing in, just tap on it. Then enter email address. Then tap on submit. You can also log in using your Google, your Facebook or your Twitter account. For the sake of this video, I'll be selecting Google. Then tap on the account that you want to link with your Temu account. Then tap on continue. You will have to verify that you are a human. And just like that, you'll be able to log into your Temu account. Isn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding the login, you can reach out to Temu help and support. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. And if you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disconnect it and try to log into your Temu account once again. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.